That one. And
smoked salmon.
egg spinny.
And potato skin. Pretty much just fries. Because I can.
Being a little bit bougie.
Just a little.
So yeah, you dig in and let us know what you feel of the food. But yeah, we'll do our local first.
Hey guys, I am out here in Otara, local, out here to meet sister for early dinner tonight with brother-in-law. So yeah, come along with me and we'll come to the spot and I'll take you with. It's my first time out for the day, so I'm happy to be out, get some fresh air, and yeah, just mix and mingle with the peeps, because let's just face it, guts to. So yeah, come along with. I'm just gonna make my way to the restaurant now. Okay, catch it, it's fat. So guys, we have actually been here before, but this is the first time I've been here with sister and brother-in-law. So yeah, just looking forward to just chilling and enjoying each other's company. Check out the menu. This combination seafood has arrived. Spring roll. Ooh, roast pork, not for me. Yeah. So my sister's a bit camera shy, so I won't be showing her, but you will be seeing me shortly. So ready to tuck in, but yes, this is a combination seafood soup. It's got a whole heap of things from fish cakes, shrimp, surimi, and all the other great things. I'll let you know how we go. Brother-in-law's me A2, chicken, all different sauces. Just a soup there. Yeah, I'm so ready to tuck in. To be quite honest, yeah, well, get a little breakfast thing and because I ended up having savoring. It was a deconstructed omelette, which consisted of savoring, of mushroom, tomato, male, onion, male garlic, whapapua, male framboa, ngā ile, tausolinga, whai loki, kwa topa kako. But yeah, we better go and do a local because we can't be here then. So yes, like any other great meal, you have to have a beverage. So we have a milkshake, the juice, lemon lime juice, and we're waiting for another juice to come. But yeah,
people think I'm crazy, but I'm not really sure.
Help me enjoy my soup. Perfect weather for it too.
adding the sprouts to your soup.
See, good. You know what I love about this place? The broth is really nice. It's actually going down really well, especially with the way that my body's been lately. I think it's really helpful to have nice soup, nice and flavorful. Yeah. Make sure you come check them out.
Summer rolls with
Some robots.
it's food and that.
That's why I don't want to eat it yet. How do you know it was good soup? Like, definitely ate all of the meat and the noodles. Partially got some of the juice to go, but oh my gosh, it's going down so well. I haven't even eaten any of the fresh spring rolls yet, but very happy that we can. Whoop whoop. Catch us. So, you saw what we had earlier, the before. This is the after. We've done pretty well. Everyone done pretty well, including the soup, which was perfect day. So now, just left with a juice to enjoy. I think there was a perfect early dinner option today. Just glad to be out of the house too and to get out. But yeah, so what else do you do after a good feed? You just come and hang out here underneath the where the fish area is, here at the town centre. It's a beautiful evening for it. It's a bit nippy. It is still quite busy, and these people are getting ready to for Huxonites tomorrow. But other than that, a really nice evening out. We're at Pho Kitchen, as I mentioned earlier, and yeah, just glad that I came out and hung out with family. Just nice to be out of the house and get some real fresh, crisp air. While I'm here, I might just give you my review. But yeah, the combination soup was delicious. I really enjoyed the broth. What even helped a bit more, and what even made it better for me, was that it wasn't too overly hot or warm per se, so it made it easier just to like go in there and just eat the soup. The meat itself was quite nice in there, along with the noodles, cooked just right, and yeah, delicious meal. I recommend that you come here and try out anything that's on their menu because obviously it's great. I did also have a strawberry milkshake. Hey family! Hey Huxonites! I'm back from hanging out with the sister and brother-in-law this evening. So this is a continuation of today's vlog. So today we're going to give a product opening a go for today. What I'll do is that I'll just explain first what this is. So a few weeks ago was my birthday, and for my birthday I wasn't feeling that great. My birthday itself, I just pretty much stayed home the whole day, relaxed. I had my cheat meal, which if anyone knows me and my family, KFC is very important in our family, especially when it came to special events and big events for our family. We would always have KFC as a way to be able to treat ourselves and have something different from our dad's daily cooking. So I kept to tradition and I had KFC. KFC of course was beautiful, as always, but I also what I done this year was that I have a fascination with the Double Downer, which is a current special at KFC, which is pretty much essentially 2 chicken patties put together with really nice sauce and bacon in between and cheese. But oh my gosh, does it really hit the spots, man. It's so good. I really enjoyed it. And then I also had a piece of chicken to fell over my me'ai. So as part of our celebrations for my birthday, my husband surprised me with a nice gift, which is this bad boy. It's a Oppo Reno13 5G Oppo A1 phone. Yeah, this was my husband's gift for me. Definitely wasn't expecting it, given that we've done so much already with renovations and everything else and everything else that's been happening. Wasn't expecting this gift, but very blessed and happy to receive it. So this is what we will be unboxing. This is the current phone that we use, which is busted, old, crusty, been around the world with me too, so which is awesome. But this phone is a Oppo A78 5G, color Oz 15.0. So yeah, the storage itself on this phone is 82.4 gigabytes on my old phone. So I'm just reading the device information, but there's some info for you. Nothing interesting, so I don't mind showing you. But I'm really happy to have a new phone. I haven't had a new phone in ages, but this is my screen. It's a photo of me and husband when I surprised them with the helicopter ride. But yeah, it served me well for the time being. I was hoping to go out today to grab a screen protector for this new phone, given that this old phone's protector is crusty as. But that's something I guess that we'll get up to later on this week, hopefully, when I have time to grab a new screen protector and case for the new phone. But yeah, okay, opening the new box. Oppo 13. So we'll just see what comes inside in the box. So yeah, opening the seal. Whoa, feels so legit. So this is it. Okay, opening. Ooh. So it's a box in a box, pretty much. Comes with this, which is a bunch of booklets. So we have a safety guide, quick guide. We'll keep that nice and close. Oh wow, that's the actual phone. Jelly mine. So this is the actual phone. Wow, how pretty. Oh, it's a sleeve. It comes right out. Wow. It's white. Whoa. How pretty. Look at that camera. The lens. Yeah, gonna definitely need a protector for this phone. You know what I just noticed? It's like metallic. It's like, it's white metallic. Oh, it's grey silver metallic-ish. It's quite funky. My mum would be very proud to have a metallic bright phone like this. This is pretty. My husband done a good job. So I just put it back into the sleeve, just to keep it nice and safe. It also came with charger and its cord and a couple of other accessories, which is that SIM card stuff. But yeah, looking forward to actually using the phone once I eventually do. I just didn't want to use it without having an actual screen protector or anything like that, because I know myself, I'm pretty clumsy. And let's just face it, like, if I really want to take care of it, it's always best to try and get something to help eliminate those things from happening. So yeah, we'll let you know how it goes. Prize. So thank you to your husband for the gift. Looking forward to actually using it. And yeah, that was my first unboxing. So se fema whakakai. But yeah, hey Huxonites, so that was my first product opening session. I don't know how I done, but yeah, that was pretty cool though. It was quite easy, mind you though, like it's not like I've used the phone or anything as of yet, but very nice and simple to do. So yeah, keep an eye out for more product opening review sessions along with us, and hopefully next week we'll be able to see Aaron in our next videos. We will keep you updated along the way. Say grateful, thankful, beautiful. So thank you so much for your love and support thus far, for helping us along our journey. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and just encourage you to continue to share and just leave us comments so then we can get a idea of what you're wanting to see from us. But keep on riding with us, keep on riding alongside us. Have a blessed rest of the week.